Alright, so I want to do a post-trade analysis on this signal that I sent earlier this morning around about 4 a.m. on this US30 trade. I'm going to show you what I seen this morning and why I sent out this trade. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the drawings here and start from scratch. So basically I start from the weekly. In fact, let me clear out these alerts. 1 second. Okay, so basically I start from the weekly. I have my Bollinger Bands, and then I have my pivot highs and lows to show me the highs and lows, as you can see right here. And there's a couple other examples right here. Right, so basically I start around the area where we currently at, which is, maybe I go back maybe 2 months in advance, not in advance, but 2 months back, and just go ahead and draw out the zones. So for this zone here, I'm going to mark it as a gray zone, which will show my weekly support and resistance areas. So this is my weekly resistance. And then this is my weekly support based off this wick right here. And so that's pretty much it for our weekly. Alright, and then I move down to my daily. And as you can see with the resistance from the weekly, it kind of aligns perfectly with the daily time zone, so I just keep it as is. And pretty much the same for my support here. It may not be perfect, but if I wanted to, I could just drag it up this way, but I just keep it down here. Because with the Bollinger Bands, it also shows my support and resistance areas too. So it looks good here. Then on the 4 hour, as you can see, same thing with the Bollinger Bands. It shows the area of support and resistance areas. And then I move down to the 1 hour for my trades. So basically, when I set in the signal here, so it's around about 4 a.m. right? So I looked at this 3 a.m. candle and saw like this huge green candle, and it crossed above the middle line, and I felt like that was a great continuation on price continue to move up. So what I did was I entered at, let's see, 3343. Right, and I did a 200 pip take profit, well, 2,000 pip take profit and a 2,000 pip stop loss. And as you can see with this trade, it played out perfectly. And the trade finished, it took around about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 to 6 hours for it to clear. And as you can see, the price continued to move up during the day. If I wanted to, I could have made more take profits for my signal group, but I think 2,000 pips was enough. We don't want to be greedy, but as you can see, price went all the way up to maybe like over 5,000 pips today, and we could have rolled that all the way up. So, but like I said, it's better safe to be sorry, and that's pretty much how the trade played out.